fog finally cleared up. 20 miles away from the job. Not feeling super great this morning. I didn't get a lot of sleep. Don't know what it is. Got done with computer work about 10:30, 10:45. Went laid down and just didn't feel great. Woke up at 3. So I think I might have gotten 4 hours of sleep. Same thing, just don't feel good. I don't know if it's just a pretty bad food allergies. Pretty sure I have irritable bowel. Irritable bowel runs in my bloodline, my family, and Indian, so it's relatively common, to say the least. And I don't know if it's even that. It's one of these mornings I just woke up and it's like, Usually I attribute it to not getting enough sleep, not necessarily anything else. Really, you get 3.5, 4 hours worth of sleep, you're not going to wake up ready for a cup of coffee and ready to go. You're going to kind of just feel down. And that's this morning. So I'm late getting into this job. Really not a huge deal. We're just running some dirt back and forth, so they're not going to freak out. There's not going to be 10 people standing around waiting for me to get there or anything like that. But late's late, nonetheless. I hate being late. I hate not being able to just get up and go on days like this, but unavoidable in some retrospects. But it was extremely foggy leaving the house. Could only see 3 dots in the road. Hopefully I'm going to be in the granite today, which will be a nice retrieve from having to be in that crappy old Mac. Won't do that again. I'm wearing house shoes today too. Just regular shoes instead of boots. Figured I don't really need boots if I'm just going to sit in the truck all day. Figured why not? Might as well just be comfortable. The granite I can't smoke in, but I was hoping to get a cigar in today. If I was in the red dump truck, I could at least smoke in it. The other guys like to smoke too, so they usually want to be in that truck. I'm very tired. I have a feeling I'm going to end up having to have a couple Red Bulls today. And I brought... Well, I don't drink coffee, I drink tea. Coffee is really acidic in my stomach, so I try to avoid it if possible. So I tend to just drink tea. I don't know if you actually get health benefits out of tea, but either way, it's a nice little caffeine kick. Going to exit 5. We're at exit 20. So we're clipping along at a good rate. Getting fuel. We're at Casey's, so I'll probably be getting lunch too. Take about 50 gallons, a little shy of 50 gallons. $4 a gallon. Fair bit of money for it. Last day and a half or so, give or take a little bit. This has got a small tank on it. It's only a 50-gallon tank, but I'm in the new granite. So lunchtime at least, back sore. So nice to get out of the truck for a few minutes.
Hey, it's not the same. If I close my eyes, maybe I'll feel you again. Relight the again. I've crossed to the other side. I turn my promises into lies. Glow until the morning light, falling in your arms tonight. Strange, but it feels so right, so right, so right. I know tonight will never last. I feel how it's faded fast. Two hearts from a cloudy glass, never last, last, last. Glow until the morning light, falling in your arms tonight. Strange, but it feels so right, so right, so right. Glow until the morning light, falling in your arms tonight. Strange, but it feels so right, so right, so right. I know tonight will never last. I feel how it's faded fast. Two hearts from a cloudy glass, never last, last, last.
A few minutes from home, just watching the Drew Estate has their like I think it's almost monthly, it's really weekly kind of release of what's coming out and all that. I've been listening to that on my headphones here. Oh, I'm very excited to be able to try the Blackened cigar. For those who don't know, I'm a pretty big cigar guy. I've been smoking cigars for, well, just before my 18th birthday, as a matter of fact. I celebrated my 18th birthday at the cigar shop. Go to Vegas every single year, or I used to go to Vegas every single year. I've worked in cigar shops. I just don't smoke cigars on the channel anymore because it can get those videos demonetized if I ever get to the point where I become monetized. I'm at this point in time at 607 subscribers. You got to get it to 1,000 to get monetized. So I'm trying to grow the channel as fast as I can, as best as I can. Just lacking a little bit of time to be able to put into editing and shooting and all that stuff. But I'm working diligently more and more and try and create a more interesting videos and whatnot, and ones where my allergies aren't so bad, because to me it sounds like I'm talking like that all the time because my allergies are so bad. I haven't lived in Arkansas too terribly long, but I'm trying to create videos where I'm not just talking into the camera. I'm showing you more of my day, more of what I'm doing, and a lot of it's terribly boring, like the time lapse you just watched of me just driving. I did that 12 times today, 24 one-way trips. I think it's pretty boring, so I just don't videotape it. But I can do a little bit more. If you watch just after this, I'm posting the video of the dogs barking when we leave. It's really cute and sad at the same time. They're Shih Tzus, they're Velcro dogs. They want to be with us all the time. So they go nuts when we leave. But they calm down pretty quick and just lay down and go to sleep. But they hate it, and it breaks my heart leaving them. But I'm just about to pull up to the house. Had a very long day on very little sleep. I was not feeling good this morning. I did not get a lot of sleep at all. I think 3.5 hours. Got a busy day tomorrow, and a busy day after that, and after that, and after that. But things are progressing and moving and doing all that stuff, so I'm happy with it. I'm happy with the progression of the YouTube channel. I'm happy I picked it back up again. I am looking forward to it getting bigger and better and all those things. So for now, I'm starving. We'll eat some dinner, do some computer work, take an allergy pill so I won't be so stuffed up. We'll see you guys tomorrow.